India is witnessing the fury of the monsoons over the last few days alongside the catastrophic landslide in Wayanad in Kerala. Overnight, heavy rains in northern India have caused flash floods and waterlogging in multiple states. Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand have both suffered cloudbursts. In Himachal, there are a number of people who are still missing. In Rajasthan as well, in the capital city of Jaipur, there have been deaths due to a flooded basement. It's a chilling reminder of what happened in Delhi over the weekend. And the national capital has not been spared either. In 3 separate incidents, 8 people have died in Delhi, in Greater Noida and also in Gurugram. We'll begin with Himachal Pradesh. Cloudbursts have triggered flash floods and around 50 people are estimated to be missing, with 2 people confirmed dead. A reservoir in Malana has overflowed, sweeping away or damaging a lot of infrastructure there as well. We've been reporting from the state and here's what's happening there.
Heavy rain and cloudburst incidents has been reported in the state of Himachal Pradesh, and several roads and even national highways has been completely blocked, and we are reporting from Chandigarh to Shimla highway, and even a recent landslide is here and the traffic has been disrupted. One-way traffic is through and even the road is being cleared by the heavy machinery, and certain kind of situation is being witnessed at the different parts of the states, including Shimla's Rampur and even Kullu's Mulana also. Cloudburst incidents reported in Rampur also, where almost 36 people are still missing, and in fact NDRF, SDRF and local police administration, everybody is on their toes. And in fact on the other side, the Mulana, the cloudburst is also reported in Mulana, due to which the Mulana dam has been overflowed and Parvati and Beas river is being overflooded, and low-lying areas is on the high alert, and in fact local administration has asked the people staying in the low-lying areas to vacate the places and reach to the safer places as well. So here you can see that how the road is being cleared and certain situation is being witnessed at the different parts of the Himachal Pradesh. Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has called an urgent meeting to know the stock of the situation, what all is happening on the ground.